Just as I was about to take my shoes off on the rooftop, there I see a girl with braided hair here before me. Just by myself I go and scream, hey, don't do it please. Well, wait a minute, what did I just say? I couldn't care less either way. To be honest, I was somewhat pissed. This was an opportunity missed. The girl with braided hair told me her woes. You've probably heard it all before. I really thought that he might be the one, but then he told me he was done. For God's sake, please, are you serious? I just can't believe that for some stupid reason you got here before me. Are you upset? 'Cause you can't have what you wanted. You're lucky that you've never gotten robbed of anything. I'm feeling better, thank you for listening. The girl with braided hair then disappeared. Alright, today's a day or so, I thought. Just as I took both of my shoes off, there was but a girl short as can be. Just by myself I go and scream. The petite girl told me her woes. You've probably heard it all before. Everyone ignores me, everyone steals. I don't fit in with anyone here. For God's sake, please, are you serious? I just can't believe that for some stupid reason you got here before me. 'Cause even so, you're still loved by everyone at home. There's always dinner waiting on the table, you know. I'm hungry, said the girl, she shouted to. The girl short as can be then disappeared. And like that, there was someone every day. I listened to the tale, I made them turn away. And yet there was no one who would do this for me. No way I could let out all this pain. For the very first time there I see someone with the same pains as me. Having done this time and time again. She wore a yellow cardigan. I just wanna stop the scars that grow every time that I go home. That's why I came up here instead. That's what the girl in the cardigan said. Well, wait a minute, what did I just say? I couldn't care less either way. But in the moment I just screamed something that I did not believe. Hey, don't do it please. I want you to. I can't stop this girl. Oh, this is new. For once I think I've bitten off more than I can chew. But even so, please just go away so I can see her pitiful expression. Is just too much for me. I guess today is just not my day. taking off my yellow cardigan, watching my braids all come undone. This petite girl, short as can be, is gonna jump now and be free.
I think it's so cute, and I think it's so sweet how you let your friends encourage you to try and talk to me. But let me stop you there, oh, before you speak. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. First you gonna say you ain't running game, thinking I believe in every word. Call me beautiful, so original, telling me I'm not like other girls. I was in my zone before you came along. Now I'm thinking maybe you should go. Blah, blah, blah. I be like, nah to the I to the no, no, no. All my ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, girl. All you gotta say is my name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. Thank you in advance, I don't wanna dance, I don't need your hands all over me. If I want a man, then I'ma get a man, but it's never my priority. I was in my zone before you came along, don't want you to take this personal. Blah, 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 I be like nah to the I to the no, no, no. All my ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, girl. All you gotta say is my name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling hey, 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 feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling no, no, no. All my ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, girl. All you gotta say is my name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go, you need to let it go, need to let it go. Nah to the I to the no, no, no. Untouchable, 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 untouchable. Nah to the I to the no, 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 no.
Você enxerga sombras, a luz se torna seu refúgio e nada te assombrar. Em mil pedaços, seres de outro planeta, e a nossa estranheza aumenta a incerteza de um bom lugar. Eu expandi minha aura, confundi com a calma, em meio aos meus problemas convivi com calma. Seres de outro planeta, e a nossa estranheza aumenta a incerteza de um bom lugar.
Escolhi o mal ou bem, confrontando a minha bem, derrotando as sombras, lidando com seres. Então me diga se vem, a jornada eu comecei.
Da terra até o além, pesadelo.
Se eles te cercarem, você lutou faxina.
Se eu corro mais de 100, esse é meu dia de sorte. Então eu posso ser mais forte. Deixe, não me alcance, eu feche a melhor versão de mim. Precisei de coragem quando a luz eu acendi. Eu já enxerguei meu fim. E hoje os inimigos me dão tédio se eu sorrir.
Não, mulheres te cercam, mas na escuridão não há espaço pra ter medo. Me dá sua mão.
Com monstros e a nossa estranheza aumenta a incerteza de um bom lugar.
Escolher o mal ou bem, confrontando a minha bem, derrotando as sombras, lidando com seres. Então me diga se vem, a jornada eu comecei.
Da terra até o além, paranormal e monstros nessa cidade. Paradoxando a minha realidade. Seres de outro planeta e a nossa estranheza aumenta a incerteza de um bom lugar. Paranormal e monstros nessa cidade. Paradoxando a minha realidade. Seres de outro planeta e a nossa estranheza aumenta a incerteza de um bom lugar.
Esses manos que não querem desistir, se juntam pra tentar vencer de mim. Quebra, eu mando turbo acelera. São imortais, não dão pra trás, mas eles são levados pela ganância. Então para de me atrapalhar, afinal de você sou outra cara. Sai de canha, não vai, as maravilhas são fantasmas. Atrapalhe sua reza, baixação, 4h44 da manhã. Então, já estão vindo na sua porta, tem manos que querem caçar. Quando vê uma voz te chamar, já é tarde, eles vieram te buscar. Vão entrar. Nessa neva aqui prontos, procuro escapar. Seus pensar juntaram, quebra-cabeça solucionar. Quando a dor me dominar, nosso coração, corpo e mente, de forma chego a transbordar. Se tivéssemos asas capazes de nos levantar, eu esqueceria de toda dor. Fugiria daqui pra onde for. Nossos corações, corpos, mentes, os dias que nos fizeram bem. Os dias que pisamos, viva acima de você. Eu esqueceria de toda dor. Fugiria daqui pra onde for. Eu voltarei de novo e de novo na sua cabeça, no fundo dos seus olhos, na sua alma, bem onde bate a melodia angustiante, te envolvi. E é de novo no meio desse inferno, do pedras até o canção topou, fazendo massacre, literalmente como é motosserra. Cruza desses mares sozinhos e cantando xalala. Eu te perdoo então, pode trazer toda a sua grana. Abriram a caixa de Pandora pra poder brincar, não ligo pra o que acontecerá. Já fazia uns anos, mas a vida que era ver que isso vai dar. Essas crianças não chegam perto porque são todas tolas. É a primeira vez que vejo seu olhar, era isso que queria me mostrar. Despertar. Eu só desejo acordar, não fique a me esperar. Mesmo se me abraçar, sinto que nada que vai mudar. Quando a raiva se dissipar, nosso coração, corpo e mente, de forma chego a transbordar. Se tivéssemos asas capazes de nos levantar, eu esqueceria de toda dor. Fugiria daqui pra onde for. Nossos corações, corpos, mentes, os dias que nos fizeram bem. Os dias que pisamos, viva acima de você. Eu esqueci